A lot of people ask, how long does Polar Seal last on a car? Well, I washed this car down with the full Polar series. You can watch that review up here now. It's been a couple of weeks and there's been a mix of weather on it. There's been a lot of sun, there's been some rain, it's done some long journeys in pouring rain, so it's got a thin film of traffic dirt on there now. What I'm going to do is wash this down using the Autoglym foaming car wash, and there's a separate review on this also linked in the description below. I'm going to wash it down with that and then just spray it off to see if it still beads up. Let's see. I've just rinsed the car off, I haven't put any product on there yet. You can see at the side of the car, it's not beading as much as it is on the top. Now, I think that's because there's dirt clinging to the top of the paint. I don't think that the Polar series has washed off. I think it's the film over the top that's preventing it from beading. But to find out, I'm going to use this shampoo, wash the whole car down, and then we'll see how much it beads. That's the outside of the car washed down. The top of it, bonnet, windscreen, roof, everything basically above the belt line is still beading up beautifully. Below the belt line, down the side here, isn't beading up as much. In fact, you can see pretty much a line running down the side of the car there where it's not really beading, which I think is where the majority of the spray from doing big miles in it has taken its toll. So in answer to your question, how long does Polar Seal last? I put this on 2 weeks ago. The top is still beading lovely, the side of it less so, but then I've done about 1,000 miles on it. So really it comes down to how often you're using the car and the weather conditions of it. But overall, that's not bad considering how long it takes you to put Polar Seal on the car, which is literally minutes. Now, if you want to find out about that shampoo that I just tried, head over to my channel and you'll be able to find a full review there. If not, thank you very much for watching this video. Hopefully I'll see you again soon.